Still struggling to keep those tiny hair details while removing backgrounds in Photoshop? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to achieve perfect and accurate hair refinement without losing a single strand. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your image in Photoshop and duplicate the background layer. This keeps the original image safe. Step 2. Go to Image, Adjustments, then Levels, and adjust the levels to increase contrast. This will help Photoshop detect the hair more precisely. Step 3. Next, go to Select Subject to create an automatic selection. Then, apply a mask to remove the background. It's not final yet, we'll refine it. Right-click and choose Select and Mask to refine the edges. Step 4. Inside Select and Mask, choose the Refine Edge Brush tool. Carefully brush over the hair area to recover those tiny strands. For better visibility, set the View mode to Overlay V. Step 5. In the Output settings, check Decontaminate Colors and adjust the amount until the edges look natural. Step 6. Set the output to New Layer with Layer Mask and click OK. Now your subject has a clean background removal with refined hair. Step 7. Once again, go to Image Adjustments, Levels to balance the tones, just like the original image. Step 8. Finally, add a solid color fill layer as your background. Try different colors to see how perfectly the hair blends. No missing strands, no rough edges. Finally, you can see the beautiful result. And that's how you get flawless hair refinement in Photoshop. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tricks, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more editing secrets.